Hello and welcome back to Brainzone, the channel of awesome facts where you can learn something new every day. The dodo is an extinct species of flightless bird that was native to the tiny island of Mauritius before it sadly died out. It is commonly believed that the dodo went extinct because Dutch sailors ate the beast to extinction after finding that the bird was incredibly easy to catch due to the fact that it had no fear of humans. This is, for the most part, pretty accurate. It is noted that after sailors landed and settled on the island in the 1500s, the dodo's population rapidly declined, and some sources confirm that the dodo was indeed hunted by sailors looking for an easy snack, since the dodo's ungainly gait and lack of third axis of movement made it relatively easy to catch. Today we're bringing you some interesting content, but make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. So let us ask, why did dodo birds become extinct? The dodo, a flightless relative of pigeons and doves, was a bird that inhabited the island of Mauritius, 500 miles from the eastern coast of Madagascar, where it lived undisturbed for so long that it had lost its need and ability to fly. It lived and nested on the ground and ate fruits that had fallen from trees. In addition to fallen fruits, the dodo probably subsisted on nuts, seeds, bulbs, and roots. It has also been suggested that the dodo might have eaten crabs and shellfish, like their relatives the crowned pigeons. Its feeding habits must have been very versatile, since captive specimens were probably given a wide range of food on the long sea journeys. There were no mammals on the island, and a high diversity of bird species lived in the dense forests. Dodos were large birds, approximately 3 feet tall, with downy gray feathers and a white plume for a tail. The dodo had tiny wings in its sternum. An area with strong wing muscles for flying birds was correspondingly small. The massive birds could reach a body weight of more than 50 pounds. It had a distinctive break that may have been pale yellow or green, which was heavy, curved, and probably the dodo's only real defensive that was capable of delivering a fairly painful bite. In 1505, the Portuguese became the first humans to ever set foot on Mauritius. The island quickly became a stopover for ships engaged in the spice trade. Weighing up to 50 pounds, the dodo bird was a welcome source of fresh meat for the sailors. Large number of dodo birds were killed for food. Later, when the Dutch used the island as a penal colony, pigs and monkeys were brought to the island along with the convicts. Many of the ships that came to Mauritius also had uninvited rats aboard, some of which escaped onto the island. Before humans and other mammals arrived, the dodo bird had little to fear from predators. The rats, pigs, and monkeys made short work of vulnerable dodo bird eggs in the ground nests. The combination of human exploitation and introduced species significantly reduced dodo bird populations. Within 100 years of the arrival of humans on Mauritius, the once abundant dodo bird was rare. Alright guys, I hope you're enjoying what you're watching. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more content like this in the future. And don't forget to click that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Enjoy the rest! We can't state an exact date, but it seems like the dodo only died off at the end of the 17th century. Until recently, the last confirmed dodo sighting on its home island of Mauritius was made in 1662, but a 2003 estimate by David Roberts and Andrew Sello placed the extinction of the bird around 1690. Although the tale of the dodo bird's demise is well documented, no complete specimens of the bird were preserved. There are only fragments and sketches. The dodo bird is just one of the bird species driven to extinction on Mauritius. Many others were lost in the 19th century when the dense Mauritian forests were converted into tea and sugar plantations. The dodo's significance as one of the best-known extinct animals and its singular appearance led to its use in literature and popular culture as a symbol of an outdated concept or object, as in the expression "dead as a dodo," which has come to the meaning unquestionably dead or obsolete. Similarly, the phrase "to go the way of the dodo" means to become extinct or obsolete, to fall out of common usage or practice, or to become a thing of the past. The dodo appears frequently in works of popular fiction, even before its extinction. It was featured in European literature as a symbol for exotic lands, and of gluttony due to its apparent fatness. The poet Hilaire Belloc included the following poem about the dodo in his Bad Child's Book of Beasts from 1896. The dodo used to walk around and take the sun and air. The sun yet warms its native ground. The dodo is not there. The voice which used to squawk and squeak is now forever dumb, yet you may see his bones and beak all in the museum. The dodo had no natural enemies on Mauritius. Life was sweet for dodos until humans also discovered the mascarenes in the late 1500s. Despite the fact that humans were far bigger than them, dodos were not afraid of these intruders. Fearless and flightless, they were easy prey. Some were killed by sailors looking for a change in diet, others by the rats, cats, pigs, and monkeys the sailors brought with them. Or dodos might have gone hungry as the invaders cleared rich forests and fruits. Their extinction is likely due to the complex phenomena of changing ecosystems and human behavior. So this was all about dodo birds. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Brainzone squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching!